The University of Cambridge, with its prestigious Faculty of Law, is recognized as one of the leading institutions in the world for legal education. The university offers a variety of esteemed programs, including the Bachelor of Laws and the highly regarded Law Tripos. These programs are designed to provide students with a comprehensive and rigorous legal education, preparing them for successful careers in the legal profession. Cambridge's law graduates are renowned for their legal expertise and analytical skills, making them highly sought after by top law firms, international organizations, and academic institutions. The rigorous curriculum, combined with the university's emphasis on critical thinking and practical application, ensures that graduates are well equipped to tackle complex legal challenges and contribute meaningfully to the field of law. Moreover, the Faculty of Law at Cambridge boasts a distinguished faculty comprised of leading legal scholars and practitioners who are dedicated to advancing legal knowledge and education. The university's rich history and tradition of excellence in law further enhance its reputation as a premier destination for aspiring lawyers and legal scholars from around the world. This combination of outstanding academic programs, esteemed faculty, and a global network of successful alumni cements Cambridge's status as a top-tier institution for legal education.